Hello friends, welcome back. So in this video, I'll be explaining what is all about sustainable development working model. The sustainable development is nothing but without we are depleting the natural resources, we're still growing all the economic activities in our country. That is called as a sustainable development. So in this video, we are discussing various topics. How can we ensure anything we are developing or we are economically growing by the way of sustainable? So for that, we have depicted various things in this working model. So I'll be explaining one by one so that you will get a clarity what is all about sustainable development working model. First thing we have implemented is rainwater harvesting. So water is a very precious resources, and especially drinking water is very precious. So how we are going to safeguard that water? So what we are trying to depict here is we have adopted a rainwater harvesting mechanism where we collect all the water from the rain and we are going to deposit in our water well, so that water well water we can use it later purpose for all our agricultural needs, plus even by making use of this rainwater harvesting, so we can increase the groundwater level by sending the water to our wells. That way, so we are going to safeguard our natural resources, which is the water. That is the first method we have implemented here. And the second method we have implemented here is, especially while doing our agriculture, so we are not using any electricity which is making use of natural resources is going to deplete, like coal, petrol, all those things we are not using in our agricultural practices. So what we are trying to do here is we are making use of solar panels here to generate electricity for all our agricultural needs. We are making use of solar panels that is going to generate electricity. From that electricity, what we are going to do here is we are going to lift the water by making use of that solar pumps, and we are going to store in all the water in this tank, and that water we are going to use it in our agricultural needs. So in that way, even we are not depending on the coal or petrol or diesel. So in that way, we are sustainable with the natural resources that are not going to deplete, like solar energy, wind energy. These are not going to exhaust. That is going to be available even after using many times. So that's why we have depicted here the solar irrigation. This right side we just talked about in the field of agriculture, in the agriculture sector or village sector, what are the things we can do. Now we are moving towards city side. So how can we enable the sustainable development within our cities economic development? So here what we are trying to do here is we are made use of wind turbines. By using our wind energy, we are generating electricity, and also we have implemented various solar parks in the city. Using these solar parks, we are going to generate electricity. Even with these two concepts, we are self-sustainable without depending on coal or petrol. Then we also implemented solar car charging stations. So whatever the electricity is getting generated here, rather than using coal or petrol or diesel, so we are using for all our cars electricity that is getting generated from our solar parks. So in that way, we are self-sustainable without depending on any natural resources which are going to deplete. And the last point we want to discuss here, in order to develop a sustainable development, so we'll have to manage waste management is very crucial. So waste management, segregation of waste is very important. So in order to adopt that, we have make use of this dustbin concept, so that we are going to segregate and we are going to dispose that waste accordingly. Now we are going to demonstrate. There are two things we have implemented here in a demonstrable manner. One is wind energy, another one is solar energy. Now we are going to run this wind turbine. Let's see how the electricity is going to generate. See, now we have started these wind turbines. There is electricity is getting generated. This electricity we are getting from wind energy, which is never depleting resources, that is going to be renewed whenever we are going to use this wind energy. That is a concept of sustainable development. All our economic development we are doing without using any coal, petrol or diesel. And now we are going to switch off this. And the second thing we will be demonstrating is how we are generating electricity using solar panels. Now we are demonstrating that. So now you can see the electricity is getting generated from the solar power. So these are the two concepts we have used to generate electricity in this working model. And there are various topics also we have discussed as part of sustainable development in this working model. If you guys really like this video, please click on like button as well as share it with your friends so that they will also get the benefit out of this working model. Thanks for watching this video. Bye for now. Take care.